Hello, my name is Rachel Newman-Waddy, and I teach a class to adults called Essential Skills for the Healthcare Provider. This is an introductory class that adult students can take who are entering college for the first time, or for the first time in many years. In this 6-week class, I teach how to access class material with a computer, good study habits and organizational skills, a positive attitude in healthcare, an introduction to researching topics online, the basics of effective communication, professionalism, how to write a resume, tips on performing well in an interview, and the importance of technology in the workplace. This transition class is important to my students who range in age from 25 to 65. Many of my students access the internet primarily through their smartphones, and some do not even have a computer at home. This class sets the stage for their college experience and gives them tools to be successful in their allied health certification. The public speaking VR app will be a great tool for these students. And they will be able to access this app and have a variety of different ways to give the return demonstration of the information that they're learning in my class. So it will help them to prepare to present themselves professionally and in front of their peers. Since this is VR, they can experiment with the public speaking and interview styles without having the anxiety of the real-life situation. By practicing these skills in simulation, my students will gain the confidence in their ability to be successful in presentations, interviews, and other public speaking situations. In the Bloom's Taxonomy tool for students, they will be focusing on applying the information that they learned in my class to this VR tool. So, in this situation, the students will be demonstrating that they can give a cogent and clear presentation of what they've learned. They will be preparing to be interviewed by a variety of different companies and be able to respond to questions professionally. And they will also be acting out real-life professional situations and getting immediate feedback on their performance by the app. I think this app will be very helpful to my students.